Okay na yun?
Okay na yun, de.
Kasi na yun.
Hey guys, we're at the beach. Parang katulad lang ng baybay sa amin. Black sand,
Linaw kayo ba?
mabato, onti lang tao. Very neighborhood dagat.
Nasa matulak eh.
Hey guys, nasa Puting Bato view deck kami and it's so nice driving up here. Ang ganda ng view. Like, inakyat namin yung bundok literally. Look. Baka walang signal. I mean, look at that view. Imagine guys, ayun yung inakyat namin. Nagmotor lang kami. Pero maganda magmotor kasi ang ganda ng view at mahangin. Ate, anong flavor po ito?
Avocado.
Isa po neto.
Saan? Dili matik out ang 20 yan.
Baka 35 take out ang isa o isa ka 20. Kasi ayaw mo.
Taste test. Avocado juice. Sarap. Among all other avocado juices I tried, ito na yung pinaka-avocado taste kasi it's real avocado. This cup, 20 pesos lang siya. So, it's cheap for something that tastes real avocado. Sobrang mura niya na. Right now, and I originally wanted to go sa coffee house nila kasi yun yung parang vintage house. Tapos masarap lang yung coffee. I don't know if it's true. So I want to try it. But then again, ito yung nadaanan ko. And hindi ko din alam sa located yung coffee house nila. So, dito na ako napadpad. Nadaanan ko lang siya actually. No intention of actually going here today. I got crispy bagnet kare-kare. Yan. Anong tawag yung nanay ko? Tingnan mo. Like, may magagawa siya pag hindi ako umiinom. Taste test! Alam mo, super love ko ang kare-kare. I hope this one tastes good. I don't know if it will, because based from the color, it's not giving. Baka I'm judging the book from its cover. It's on the sweeter side of kare-kare. And hindi ko masyado malasahan yung peanut butter. Yung gusto ko sa kare-kare bells. Yung malalasahan yung peanut butter. Tsaka parang hindi mo na kailangan ng bagoong here. Kasi parang nakahalo na yung bagoong. If that makes sense. But it's good naman. It's not bad.
Do! Winter na do!
Wala do.
Kamusta naman ka? Coffee na. Rice coffee.
Magkano siya?
300 lang. Base. Lalapyan, base.
Tingnan, di ba?
Nalo ko sa ano? Sibuyas? Pepsi.
Babaya.
7 out of 10.
Kapalo, nag-music.